In recent years, abnormal weather and climate change have been occurring on a global scale, and there is an urgent need to reduce greenhouse gases, such as CO2, which is one of the causes. In response to this trend, Eagle Industry has developed a hydraulic booster unit, which is installed in the hydraulic circuit of excavators and other construction equipment to significantly advance fuel efficiency. The hydraulic booster unit is composed of a hydraulic booster with accumulator, flow divider valve, and regeneration valve. The oil returned from the hydraulic cylinder when the boom is lowered is sent to the hydraulic booster via the flow divider valve. Next, the pressurized oil in the hydraulic booster unit is stored in the hybrid accumulator. When the boom is raised, the high-pressure oil is sent to the hydraulic cylinder via the regeneration valve, thereby reducing the output of the hydraulic pump and reducing fuel consumption. By introducing our hydraulic booster, we have been able to reduce fuel consumption by more than 10%, which is not only reducing operating costs, but also looks promising for CO2 reduction. As a result, it is environmentally friendly for the entire Earth. This technology can be widely applied to equipment and facilities that employ various hydraulic systems such as forklifts, tractors, and so on. With this new product, we will contribute to the realization of a more sustainable world.